We're gonna go chasing waterfalls. Chasing waterfalls today, in fall colors. So hopefully we get a break in the weather, so we can go riding, and I can get some motor vlogs, so I won't run out. Uh, yeah. Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel. Run that intro. Oh, welcome back everybody to the Blue Bike Doors channel on a cold 56.3 degree day. Supposed to pull pretty up. Supposed to warm up and sun's supposed to come out. We'll see if the weatherman's right. So we're gonna go chasing some waterfalls. Two of them. We're gonna see Nakalulu Falls and Little River Falls. We're gonna run up through the Little River Canyon, see if we can't chase some fall colors. Maybe we get to see a little fall color. If the sun will come out and get some good pictures, maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Run up through the canyon. Yeah. So we got a little canyon we can run up through. It's a pretty good road. Well, we'll take it slow today because it had a lot of rain all the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Saturday night. And probably some gravel on the road. Oh, welcome back everybody. So we up here our first waterfall, Nakalulu Falls, up here in Gadsden, Alabama. And we'll see what the waterfall's doing. So here we are at the Nakalulu Falls. There's your Nakalulu Falls. I hope you enjoyed the Nakalulus. Talked to some people there. They said it was really rolling yesterday. I guess the water's about run out today. Puppy dog! Gonna get run over. So we coming up on the canyon. Another chimney, no house. Boy, the chimney makers, they was some. Knew how to make chimneys at the last, wasn't it? Outlast the house. So he was walking in. Hi, cotton. Hi, cotton. Woo! Get out of the road, doggy. We be in the Little River Canyon. Next 12 miles, excessive curves. We're gonna ride the rim. Here we go. Don't go down that road right there. Whoa, look at all the leaves. Fall time, that road beat you to death. That's part of the Little River Canyon but it'll beat you to death. Don't go that way. So, yeah. So here we are. DeSoto State Park, 20 miles. Little River Canyon National Reserve. Ooh, I could have went straight, but I like to go this way. Ooh, we got to be extra careful. A lot of leaves. All right, that's Art Point Overlook. Had the porta potties. So we're getting some fall colors. I like it. That's the canyon down yonder. I don't know if y'all can see it. That down yonder. We're right on the rim of the Little River Canyon. The Grand Canyon of the South. Right there. Woo, more leaves and debris. That's the fall color right there in front of us. Yep, good fall color. That's our limb out in the road. There's a picnic table. You can have a picnic. Yeah, this pretty road. This almost as good as 603 rides is. Look at that. Look how pretty it is. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. It's green and not green, but yellowish, orangish. Pop. Ah. Yeah, this road's pretty fun when it's dry. A little damp. Yep, little moisture in the road. I don't want to wipe out. Wipe out. No. Wipe out. Got a lot of pine straw on the road too, here and there. Fun road. Ooh, see more debris. Limbs fell down. Oh, more pine straw. Yeah, we don't want to exceed the speed limit too bad. Have a wipeout. Yeah. This is the one with the bridge in it, I think. Go way down here. Woo! Woo! There's it got there. Oh, yeah. And then you gotta go back up this hill. Yeah, that was a bad curve. Yeah. It's a fun road when it's dry. Sun would come out. That's some red, orangish, pretty fall colors. Yep, there's what I was afraid of. Get somebody out looking at the fall colors. See what I mean? How these dirt roads wash out and gravel out on the road. You got to be careful. Pretty through here. I like the sweet gum. I believe that's sweet gum that makes it yellowish, reddish. I think. I could be wrong. Oh, we got a 25-mile-an-hour curve right up here. With a pull-off that might have gravel out in it. So we got this as Crow Point Overlook. Sam Crow Overlook. The Reapers. Good place to park. Right on the edge of the road. See the canyon wall? That's the canyon down there, way down yonder. Woo! No guardrails. Another pull off. This is Wolf Creek Overlook. Wolf Creek Overlook. Wolf Creek Pass. Oh, they had a lot of trees down across the road right there. Alright, this is canyon view. We can see the canyon and a house right over there on hanging off the cliff. And another view. Pull off. Canyon on the other side. Canyon rim. Man, I wish the sun would come out. It would light up this fall foliage. It's pretty good. More debris in the road from trees across the road. Right up here somewhere there's a big old rock in the road. Usually is. Pretty, ain't it? I believe this is the rock in the road up here. I think I might be wrong. Oh, gotta be getting close. Oh, we got some bicycle parked in the road. That's good pull off. Good job about getting out of the road. Good way to get run over. What my mama used to say, playing in the road. You're riding that bicycle on the road, you're gonna get hit by a car. Here's a big rock in the road. Big rock in the road. You know what I mean? Big rock in the road. Big rock. All oh, some reds and yellows. Pretty. So we almost up here to the fall, the river falls. No parking right here. No parking. Right up here is one of the overlooks from this side of the river. We're going on the other side of the river, little river, and walk down to the falls. It's you can overlook right here, that tree out in the road, almost. Oh, look at all them dang minivans. All this tourism. I said tourism, not terrorism. Wow. What they do, got the park closed? Oh, helicopter landing. Can't go up there, huh? Turn around. Okay. That explains why everybody was parking back up there then. Helicopter landing there. Run everybody off. Wonder why. It got 13 U's, might have a drowning or something. So we go up here and park, walk back down here. Mr. Park Ranger there running everybody off. Can't park here, can't park here. Close the whole park. So just for that little helicopter right there. So won't get to see no waterfall, Little River Falls, because Park Rangers National Park Service run us off. Can't park here. Our parking lot be open a little bit. Well, I can't park here. What do you mean do? Oh well, enough ranting. Y'all have safe. I'll catch out this video. I think I have another video of Little River Falls y'all want us to go see. Had fun riding through the canyon. And that's a little canyon from way back, maybe. I don't know. We'll put something there. Y'all ride safe.